I'm Dr. Radhika Kopikar, consultant dermatologist practicing in Vikhroli, East Mumbai. Today I'm here to talk about a significant evolution in our photoprotection strategies, the role of peptides in sunscreen formulations. With so many sunscreens available in the market, it's time to ask, are our traditional sunscreens truly enough? Despite a large range of sunscreens that are available in the market today, I feel most of them provide only passive protection, that is either by blocking or by absorbing the UV rays. They don't really work on the damage that has already been caused by UV rays, such as inflammation, DNA damage, oxidative stress, and collagen breakdown. So I feel there's a real need or a compelling need for a formulation that can act as a shield and also restore and repair at the same time. Peptides are bioactive molecules which allow for deeper penetration and action at a cellular level. We all understand that they help in anti-inflammation, anti-oxidation, also anti-glycation and restoration of the structural health of the skin. UV exposure leads to the formation of advanced glycation end products which cause breakdown of the elastin, lipid peroxidation and inflammation in the skin, leading to photoaging. And peptides can act here by reducing or inhibiting the glycation pathway and restoring the structural integrity of the dermis. Advanced sunscreens today incorporate multifunctional ingredients like peptides and other actives that offer full spectrum enhanced UV protection and also reverse early photoaging. There are many peptides available and therefore it's important to choose the right one, like allistin, which is clinically proven to provide anti-glycation, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In an era where sun exposure is unavoidable, I feel photoprotection should also go beyond just UV filtering. So the peptide-based sunscreens that are now available are a good choice because they are scientifically proven and they have a multi-targeted approach towards skin protection and repair at the same time. And I feel we should all embrace this new generation sunscreen with peptides, where we can not only help our patients shield their skin but also provide repair and rejuvenation at the same time.